and welcome to your daily COVID-19 update for today, Wednesday, August 3, 2022.
We have 541 active cases, and over the last 24 hours, we had 102 persons who were diagnosed with COVID-19.
Okay, and what about our hospitalization rate?
In hospitals across the country, we have 21 persons, and at the Ocean View, we currently have 10 persons in hospital, with one person in the ICU.
Any recent deaths?
Well, it varies, and it really depends on how people come into the facilities to be tested. Generally, we probably do like 500 tests per day. We have a larger capacity to do PCR. So with our PCR testing capabilities, we can probably do more than 2,000 a day. But recently, we have not seen a great demand. And while persons used to come to get tested because of travel, a lot of countries have removed the travel requirement. The test before you travel, a lot of countries have removed that. And because of that, we have seen a drop in people coming forward to be tested. Additionally, I think a lot of people who might have flu-like symptoms, they probably test at home. And if they test at home, they're not reporting that to us. So the numbers remain artificially low. And that's something we have to bear in mind. So the numbers that we see and that we report, we think are an underestimate. And it's not a phenomenon that is only happening in Guyana, but it's happening across the globe. So a lot of the global numbers, even those that are compiled by the WHO, because they rely on national statistics, they're also reporting on the estimate. For adults right now, we have administered 445,082 doses. That's 86.8% of our population would have received that first dose. Second dose is now 344,732 doses, or 67.2% of our adult population. I think in some of the hinterland communities we're doing better in some areas. So let's take Region 9 for example. First dose coverage in Region 9 is about 39.9%. So when you consider that the average across the country is 6.7%, Region 9 first dose is 39.9%, that's really good. But when you look at their second dose, they haven't done any second doses yet. So we probably got to wait because maybe they have started their first dose just about 2 weeks ago. So we'll have to wait at least 3 weeks to see what happens. In terms of Region 8, they have done relatively well at 36% coverage first dose. Second dose is just 2.8%, however. Region 7, they are at 4.7% coverage, first dose. Second dose is 3.7%. Region 1, they are at 3% coverage, and second dose, they are 0.3%. So you can see it varies in the interior. But I think for Region 9, they have done relatively well.
You have been watching the daily COVID-19 update for today, Wednesday, August 3, 2022. I'm Natasha Smith-Thomas. Goodbye.